lamb souvlaki. This is such a great feast on a hot summer day. You can grill outside or you can cook it inside. The smell is ridiculously good. That garlic, the oregano, this is totally my kind of food.
I like using lamb leg for souvlaki because it's really tender and has really great lamb flavour. Bite boneless, then trim off the thick layer of excess fat before cutting into nice, meaty 2.5 centimetre cubes. For the marinade, we're using both the zest and juice of the lemon. A lot of garlic, the Greeks love garlic. Bay leaves, which we scrunch up to release flavour. A good dose of dried oregano, the Greeks love their oregano too. Extra virgin olive oil, white wine vinegar and salt. Add the lamb, then give it a good mix to thoroughly coat in that tasty marinade. Then refrigerate overnight to let it work its magic, which will tenderise the lamb and infuse it with flavour. Thread onto skewers. I usually do 3 to 4 pieces and make 12 skewers. Then sprinkle both sides with salt and pepper. Don't skip this step, it really makes a difference.
Way too much garlic for you, Doza.
To cook them inside on the stove, pan fry for just 3 minutes on each side for medium rare so they're at optimum juiciness. Blushing pink inside and beautifully seared on the outside. But if you can, they're even better on the barbecue. Rest for 5 minutes before serving, then let's serve it up. I like to put together big platters so everyone can help themselves and make their own wraps. Add warmed or toasted pita breads, Greek salad chopped a little smaller than usual, tzatziki, a final swish of olive oil, then if you want to get fancy, just a little sprinkle of oregano.
So you can do a wrap.
Pile on some Greek salad, then top with the lamb souvlaki. 1 skewer is normal, but I'm greedy, so I use 2. Top with tzatziki, then bundle it up.
How jealous are you right now that this is my lunch? That's insane. That lamb is so tender. Or you could just eat it plain. I can't, Doza, there's too much garlic in this for you. How about some peanut butter flatbread instead?